Hey guys, this is Adam with Herben Influence. Thank you guys so very much for following, for watching, for liking, for engaging in all of the content that you guys have seen everywhere, pretty much for the most part. So thank you guys. That's awesome. That's just really wonderful for us to see, and this is why I want to make this video real quick right now is explain why you're seeing the things that you're seeing on my personal Facebook page, why I've just been posting things on Amazon and just hitting the share button. Okay, well, there's a reason. I'm an Amazon associate for one. Okay, so there's that, and the reason for that is that I wanted to take this time to really this last 12 months to 14 months delve into the website traffic, the opportunity for e-commerce to make money online, ever since the tragedy with the whole COVID deal, and see if there was a way that I could just take the time that I had and try to learn something from it. And I fortunately was able to do that, and I'm really excited right now to kind of show some of the initial data as it's starting to trickle in. Now, mind you, a lot of this stuff is stuff and research that I've done for a long time, so I want to take this chance to show you guys what I am seeing from in real time on my end. So on my Facebook page, Mac Reel, you've probably all seen the Amazon things. The reason that I'm doing that, again, Amazon associate, so if you click on one of those links that I send and you happen to purchase that product, absolutely I get a commission, get a cut, get some Skrilla, cheddar, whatever you want to call it out of that. Nothing wrong with that, nothing cool. I mean, that's just standard 101. That's I don't even know what kind of marketing that is, but it's just lazy marketing. It's got affiliate marketing kind of, because I'm an associate with them, but kind of lazy content marketing on my personal channel. So let me show you guys what's happening so far with Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here to my Amazon account. All right, this is my page. If you'll notice right here, this is my account, everything that you need to see. Okay, now what might look different from my page than your guys' page is that I'm an associate. Okay, so you guys probably won't have this up here if you guys are an associate. This is the stripe, the banner that we are able to see for our earnings as associates, their dashboard. So if I clicked on that, all I've been doing this past month, I suppose, was just lazy drag, post, and share. Okay, I've not put any thought or effort into any of the content that goes into that. This number ideally in years from now, that's going to be the important part, okay? But it was irrelevant for this part. This part right here was the only number that I was interested in. These ones in time will come. So this one, the clicks, that's the important part. And then this is the next. Those are the biggest two numbers right there. Right there, clicks and conversion. Okay, so I think I posted, I don't know, I try to do one every single day, the first thing in the morning. So there's 31 days a month, so I think I did about 25, 26 just lazy posts. Okay, out of those posts I have 5,000 friends on my Facebook page. Okay, 108 of them clicked on the link. Okay, cool. Some of them even bought some things. Okay, and that's what I'm seeing right here. Awesome. This is what, if you're a technical guy. So all this was flatlined before that. Like I just really been posting laziness. That is why you're seeing these posts. Okay, so in the next video, I want to really fully explain in depth what I plan on doing with that information and the analytical data and why it's important. So I'm going to slap this thing up onto my Power Director, clean it up a little bit. Really not doing too much doctoring to it other than maybe check some audio, but these are the things that I plan on taking Herben Influence, Herben Education, as a matter of fact, what we'll call that, Herben Business, into the next level on how I plan on making the content from here on out to maximize the very real work at home phenomenon that's going on, and the ability to make an extraordinary amount of money online. For those of you who think that it's too good to be true, well, I was the same way. The one thing that I have learned throughout this study, and this is almost going on 2 years now, is that there are two types of people that are active users online. There's only two. And that is, there are people that spend money, and there are people that make money. Okay? There's no other. If we really boil it down, it's just that. And what I hope to do in this series of videos that I'm about to present, make, upload, I'm about to show you how. Okay. Thank you guys. That's why you're seeing it. I'll stop posting them from now. So I've got the data that I needed right here. So thank you guys very much. Peace.